was talking about we were gonna put our constellations in our science journal here later on. I want to use this as a point of reference. We talked about having different constellations in different parts of the sky. We can see them sometimes during the year, sometimes we can't because of the seasons and the Earth rotating and leaning on its axis. Ursa Minor is in the northern hemisphere. We also know it as the Little Dipper. And this star right here is Polaris. It's the northern star and it points towards the North Pole. And we can know that because it's the end of the little ladle all the way to the end. So if you can see this in the sky at any rotation, this star is the one pointing towards the North Pole. Okay? Elizabeth, will you come help me pass these out?
Yes.
And they all go in different groups. So. What I'm passing out is your constellation cards, and we're going to put them in your science journal. Did you get one for yourself?
No.
Okay.
Wait, both, right?
Yeah, all of it is yours.
Okay.
So did you get all 5 pages? Here. Oh, okay. No, it's all grouped together. So this is one person's. It's right here. Let's see.
Here's the part of it.
So this is which pages? You've got the last couple pages. This one. Sorry. You've got yours. I'll give yours this one. So. All of yours. Let's make sure we have all of our pages. The first one has Andromeda in the top left corner. The next one has Auriga in the top left corner. Does everybody have those pages?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Then we have Canis Minor, the dog or the wolf in the top left corner. Cetus, and then Hydra. And then you should have 2 pages of constellations that don't have any names on them, right? Okay, so I want you to get out your scissors and your glue, and I want you to cut out your constellations and match them with the picture. And it gives you, if you look at your pictures, they have the dots of the stars already inside those pictures. So that's your point of reference, because I understand that if you saw this, you might not know what that is. If you have any questions, just raise your hand or ask your neighbor. I'm going to walk around and make sure that y'all understand. So what we're doing right here. So these are going to go in our science journal. And it's just the different pages. And you're going to cut these out. And you're going to match them with the correct constellation. So like, see these stars? You're going to look for that design.
Okay.
Thank you.
And just some helpful hints, because I know there's lots of them that look probably a little similar. To start eliminating, look for the ones that have fewer. So like this one has 2. So find that constellation that only has 2 stars. And then you can go ahead and nix that one out. Or this one. This is the one that we just did on the board. So that one's a freebie. What was the name of this one?
Ursa Minor.
Yep, or also known as the Little Dipper.
Can I get a glue stick?
Yes, ma'am. I know when you're looking at it, borrow yours?
Yes.
It's just a bunch of dots, so if we started connecting these, we might be able to find it with the matchy part a little easier. But make sure you use your pencil, that way in case you're trying to match it to the wrong one, you can erase it. These the ones you matched with it?
No.
Okay.
I'm just still a little
Just cutting them out.
confused. I don't have one with, oh.
Okay, let me finish helping her and then I will come look. Remember what I said, using some of the easier ones to go ahead and get those out of the way, so you know that those are already taken care of, so let's look at this one, does that look like that one? Or does this one?
Oh, okay, I
Like
didn't
that
see
one.
this one. Let me cut this.
Those are extras. Let's put this right here. That's over there.
Oh, is this 10 minutes late?
Oh, so you can process it? Oh, interesting.
Like I'm making it.
How are you doing?
Okay, I'm doing the ones with less
Mhm.
first.
Mhm. And if you're having a hard time narrowing it down, if you're looking at one of them, like, let's say, I'll give y'all another freebie, Quilla. So if you were looking at a page that, like, didn't have that one on there, so look at that picture first, and look at that constellation. Does it go with that one? No. This one? No. No. No, so I already know that I can put this page down, it's not gonna match my constellation. Then I can try it with the next page. Does it go with this one? No. No. Well, maybe this one. And sometimes turning the constellation upside down, or turning it on its side can help you find that image that you're looking for. I'm gonna pass out this sheet, don't worry about it right now, it's just for later. save us some time, we're gonna finish this up during kind of free time later. So I want you to organize all your pieces, and I'm gonna pass out little baggies, so you can put them in there. And then we'll finish this later. So I want, Dora, I want you to come up here real quick. So I'm gonna give you all a chance to draw a constellation. And Dora's not gonna tell you which one she's drawing. She's just gonna pick one on this sheet that I've handed out to you guys. She's gonna draw it up here, and you guys have gotta try and identify it, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, you can- whichever one, just don't let them know which one you're doing. Okay. You can make your dots.
We'll shut it off.
Raise your hand. Which one do you think it is?
See?
Nope.
Oh.
Crystal?
Cassiopeia.
Yes, Sophia, yeah, that one works. All right, you can go next.
I didn't see it. It's in your.
On your,
Oh.
on the sheet. That's why we're putting those for our journal later. Crystal, since you got that one right, you can come to the next one. We're not gonna repeat ones we've already done.
Can you stretch it out and repeat?
You can color in the little star that says found it.
I'm gonna have to draw the dots or just.
The dot and the line. Okay.
Here we go.
Yes. Any one of those that they haven't already done. Okay.
Corona Brown.
Mm-hmm. The Northern Crown. Which one are you gonna do? I like these stars. All right, I'm gonna let her try it since she hasn't got it. Let's see if she's got it so she can come.
I'm gonna say Akina.
Yes, very good. And you can draw any one of those. Any takers?
You're up.
Yes. Thank you. Now just a quick checkpoint, see if you guys remember. What constellation is the star Polaris in? Very good.
Which one?
North Pole.